Good morning and welcome to your daily market update for Wednesday, April 9th, 2025. We've got a packed report for you today, covering U.S. markets, key earnings, economic news, and what's happening in Asia and Europe. Let's get right into it. U.S. financial markets are in retreat today as President Trump's 104% tariffs on Chinese imports officially kicked in. The S&P 500 dropped 1.57%. The Dow and Nasdaq followed with notable losses. Investor sentiment is rattled, with fears of a potential recession creeping in due to rising trade tensions and policy uncertainty. We've got two major earnings on deck. Neogen Corporation is set to report Q3 earnings at 8 a.m. Eastern. Delta Airlines follow up with their Q1 earnings call at 10 a.m. Eastern. Analysts are watching closely to see how these companies are managing inflation pressures and global instability. Here's a quick look at today's key economic events. At 10 a.m. ET, we'll get February wholesale inventories. At 11 a.m., Richmond Fed President Tom Barkin speaks, always one to watch. And at 2 p.m., the highly anticipated FOMC meeting minutes will be released. Markets will be combing through the details for clues on future interest rate moves. Over in Asia, markets tumbled on the heels of the new U.S. tariffs. Japan's Nikkei closed down 3%, and indices in Hong Kong and China also posted losses. The escalating trade war has triggered renewed fears of a global economic slowdown across the region. European stocks follow the same downward trend. The Stoxx 600 dropped 2.5%, while Germany's DAX slipped 2.1%. The newly imposed tariffs are weighing heavily on investor sentiment, especially in Europe's export-driven economies. That wraps up your market briefing for today, April 9th, 2025. We'll continue to track the data and headlines as they develop. If you found this update helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss your daily dose of financial news.